wanna play this one? Babe. Y'all turn folks gonna be mad at me. Oh.
No. That's the end of Jimmy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cater to you. Ready?
Yeah. That's Chris that just walked by. That was Chris. That's Liz. That's Chris. It's recording. It's recording. Gotcha.
I'm going too, man.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
you be back to Jack? Jack?
Slap you in the face and throw the panties away.
It's all waiting up for you.
What?
You got, oh, the permit's done? Yo, we done missed permitting. No blockers. Y'all blocked it. I'm not lying, dog. I blocked it. Dog. I blocked it. Hey, man. Yo, check it. Yeah. Face camera at me. Let me hop on the block. Let me tell you what's good. Let me tell you about my life and yeah, how I was in the hood. Check it out. Check it out. Yeah. My mind get blistered and twisted about the things that I done, trying to be good and the perfect, just like the Holy Sun. Yeah. Keep going, guys. Keep going. I'm a rap. Yeah. Keep going. One more time.
Look how far you come.
Check it. Yeah. My mind get blistered and twisted about the things that I done, trying to be good and the perfect, just like the Holy Sun. So when that time comes, when that time changes, just to let everybody know that my life has never been the same. Lost my mother and father, it bothered my heart and mind. Still hoping and searching to find a path through my dark times, but that's just me, and I'm hoping someone can feel deep. But if not, it's alright. I'm still praying to God on my knees, just to ask Him for forgiveness so I can make it through these paths. And I'm asking for forgiveness because He's the one to watch my back. And in the times in the slumber, I'm no dang well what now, cause I still praise Him on the under. Yeah. What you know about that? Y'all thought I didn't get rap? I can rap though. I can rap, but y'all didn't know though. You feel me? Hey, I was recording these though. I came a long ways though, you know what I'm saying? Uh-oh. Hey, we're not drunk, guys. We're not drunk. Just to let you guys know. Whoever watched this, we're not drunk. We're just, it's that. Uh-oh. He just cussed. He just cussed. He just cussed. Hey, he just cussed. He just cussed. Hey, you cussed, dog. Yeah.
I'm struggling over the same thing. It ain't the same thing. This niggas talking a lot of shit on the block.
Hey, he's still cussing. He's still cussing.
It's all crazy like Old Navy. I still move the package. Quick to grab it.
She was part of the video.
Yes, ooh.
Oh, don't worry, we're not drunk. We're not drunk.
He is launching projectiles.
Oh, are we leaving? Look like we're leaving, bro.